Welcome to Phoenix 2020, a clear vision for the future of Phoenix. I'm Councilman Michael Nowakowski. District 7 is one of the places where the biggest concerts happen. You know, we have the Talking Stick Arena, we have the Co-America, we have Auction Pavilion, and right here in downtown Phoenix, we had the Super Bowl and just the college events that were happening, but also at Margaret Hans Park for the last 4 years, or this is going to be the fourth year that we have the McDowell Mountain Music Festival, a music festival right here in downtown Phoenix. And to tell us a little bit more about the festival, we have Nate. So tell us about the McDowell Mountain Music Festival.
Yep.
What can people expect?
Yeah, so we're in our 13th year now, and we're a 100% nonprofit. We donate to local youth charities, Phoenix Children's Hospital and UMOM New Day Center. And so we're really about giving back to the community and lifting everyone up from the bottom and helping out the youth who are in need.
So Nate, is it just local groups or is there national groups?
Nope.
Or what can you expect if you come to this great event?
Yeah, so we have a good mix of local and national bands. There's a handful of local bands will play on our main stage, our big stage, and then a handful will play on the other stage, a smaller one. So it's a good mix of indie, jam, or reggae, or whatever you're feeling. There's probably something good for you.
So it's an event for the family too, right?
Exactly, yes. It's a big family event. Lots of families come out, and it's a lot of fun.
So we're right here in downtown Phoenix, just south of McDowell. You can't miss Margaret Hans Park. If you're driving down the freeway, that big tunnel, you're over the event, right?
Exactly, yeah. Perfect. It's a great location with freeway access and right downtown, too. It's pretty electrifying for sure.
So Nate, if somebody wants to get more information, if you want to purchase tickets or you just want to know what the lineup is there a website or how can people get more information?
Yep. Yeah, you can visit mmf.com. That's our website. It's 3 M's, 1 F at the end. And then we also have social media page, Twitter, Facebook, and all that, and plenty of information out there.
You know what? Last year, people were talking about the food. I mean, you guys got local businesses out here. You got mom and pop businesses. You got all kinds of vendors, all kinds of stuff going on. What kind of food can people expect out here? Yeah,
so we have a handful of partners that we're doing for the VIP section. So a really good menu, smoked salmon and desserts.
Wow.
And all that. Yeah, it's really nice for the VIP. And then out in the general admission, we have food trucks and local culinary artists are going to be doing demonstrations and workshops, and so yeah, food's
Nate,
definitely
I have
a big
kids.
part.
I have 6 kids, all the way from 27 years old to 2 years old. What can I do? Can my kids get entertained or?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, we're going to have a lot of activities around with sponsors bringing booths out and trucks. We also have arts and crafts, and we have a drum circle also that people can partake in. So yeah, it's definitely a family-friendly event, and there's lots of kids, all walks of life, come out for it. So it's a lot of fun.
All right, Nate, we're going to let people know. You can't tell too many people yet, but we're going to get the lineup. Who's the main group coming out?
We have Beck is going to be Friday, so he's probably our headlining act, marquee for the event. So
we have
Friday night.
On Friday night, we have a Saturday night.
Yep, Saturday we have Kid Cudi and Porter Robinson. So that should be pretty fun, a lot of energy. And then Sunday we have the Avett Brothers are closing night Sunday, so that's a good bluegrass jam.
Now, is there a package for all 3 days if people want to come out all 3 days, or is it different prices every day?
So prices are pretty much the same for single days, but yeah, 3-day passes are available. You can also get 3-day VIP. So yeah, there's tons of packages available and endless possibilities.
So if you live out in Mesa, if you live out in Tempe, you can just jump on the light rail, get off right here, and just watch the event. I mean, it is just an ideal place to have an event. It's beautiful out here. It's open space, and it's going to have one of the biggest stages and sound systems, and it's just going to blow everyone away. So come on down, right?
Yep, that's
Any
right.
last closing remarks?
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. Hoping to donate a good chunk to charity this year. So yeah, if you want to come out, have a great time, and support your local community. Probably the best way to do it.
And what's the date?
Date's going to be March 11th to the 13th.
All right. So, hey, Friday, March 11th through Sunday, March 13th. Come on down, bring the family, come listen to great music. It doesn't matter what kind of music you like. They have it all right here at the McDowell Music Festival, right here at Margaret Hans Park. We'll see you there.